Are you feeling sluggish? Did you know that apple cider vinegar can help boost your energy levels? In this video, we'll explore how apple cider vinegar can benefit your energy levels. As we age, our energy levels can decline, making it harder to stay active and engaged. But studies have shown that drinking apple cider vinegar can help boost energy levels. Apple cider vinegar can help improve digestion and nutrient absorption, which can lead to increased energy levels. Additionally, it can help regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent energy crashes. To see the best results, try incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. You can add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to water or use it as a salad dressing. Just be sure to dilute it and start with a small amount to avoid any discomfort. We hope this video has convinced you to try apple cider vinegar for increased energy levels. As always, be sure to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health routine. And if you want more apple cider vinegar information, read the description down below or watch this next video on the right.